Welcome to User Role Template video tutorial. In this video we will walk you through the data collection and template filling process for the user role master. A user role defines permissions for users to perform a group of tasks. In a default application installation there are some predefined roles with a predefined set of permissions. Each role has a certain number set of tasks it is allowed to perform, and these roles are super admin, trade license approver, data entry admin, and trade license document verifier, etc. Download the configuration data template to fill in the user role details. As we can see on the screen, there are 4 columns: serial number, code, name and description. Now start updating the information for each column. Some columns marked with a star are mandatory. Please make sure all the mandatory columns are updated in the template. To know details of the individual column, please refer to the Data Definition User Role Master page. After filling the data into the template, refer to the checklist to ensure the data accuracy and data entry requirements are met. For any query or assistance, please feel free to reach out our team. We hope this video has helped you understand the template filling process. Thank you.